So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure the computer is fully up to date. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to tick adjust for best performance. You're going to tick this, which will then untick everything here. Now you're going to click on custom. And then you're going to tick show thumbnails instead of icons. Tick this one. And then you're going to tick smooth edges of screen fonts. So tick both of these. And then click on OK. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you're going to type in sfc /scan now. And then click on enter. Then you want to run the scan. And now as the scan's running, you want to head over to search again and type in CMD again. Then you also want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health and click on enter. So now you want to run both these scans at the same time. You could just minimize both of these and keep them both running. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on this PC. And you're going to find the drive where you have Windows installed on. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. That's how you know it's the correct one. So now you're going to right click on your drive. And then click on Properties. And then click on Tools. And then click on Check. And then click on Scan Drive. And now your scans should be done by now. The command prompt ones. If not, you just want to complete them. And now you're going to type in chkdsk /f /r. Click on enter. Wait for this to load. Once this comes up, you're going to type in Y and then click on enter again. And now once you've done that, for the next step, you're going to restart your computer, but keep on watching the video. So we're going to restart computer, but keep on watching the video. And now as the computer turns on again, it's going to be saying to skip this check-in, press any key. Do not press any key. You do not want to press any key. And now you know that this check-in run. And now once this final scan has been completed, it's going to take you back into Windows and then the prompt should be